And so it's all about presentation. And we know in this business and in sales that you only get one chance at that first impression.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the Cash Flow Digest. My name is Matt Faircloth. Our company is called the DeRosa Group, and we are a real estate company dedicated to transforming lives through real estate. We make money while we make a difference. I've got asset management tip. You guys want to make your properties look beautiful for a reasonable amount of money? The asset management tips here for you. Stay tuned. This show is broadcast on Spotify with a video as well. So if you guys are watching on Spotify, you can also watch it on Spotify. How cool is that? This program is broadcast live on DeRosa Insiders, which is a Facebook page. All you got to do is just go to Facebook. It's free. Go to Facebook and join DeRosa Insiders. Thousands of people that are members of the DeRosa Insiders community. Join it. Introduce yourself. Say hi to everybody. Guys, going to transition to an asset management tip. I want to talk to you guys about something. If you have a rental property, that's great. And it's going to make you lots of money. I hope a good thing you can do is to invest in the kitchens and cabinets and the interiors of the property. But if your exterior of the property isn't sharp and doesn't show good and clean for you and for your tenants to show up that want to move there, or for them to have pride of residency as one of your residents and have their friends come over and their family come visit them or whatever, it's not going to do as well for you. They're not going to be as proud. They're not going to take as good care of it, or they're not even going to live there long term. So curb appeal is something that is 10x important for you for any rental you have, be that a single family home or a 100-unit apartment building. So let's talk about curb appeal with our folks in the field on the asset management team. Take it away.
Hey everybody, it's Smiley with DeRosa Group and T-Talks Multifamily. Let's chat about curb appeal. So I think when we think of curb appeal, we think of, is the trash picked up? Are the flowers looking nice? Are there flowers? Hopefully some kind of color, some kind of greenery. Does it look halfway decent as I go flying past it? And I need you to think about curb appeal in more than just, does it look halfway decent? Does it draw somebody in? And that's really the essential component of curb appeal, because when we're talking curb appeal, we're talking about, is it bringing somebody from the street to your property? Is it bringing you your renter? Is it bringing their attention? Is it bringing their eye contact, their interest? Is it bringing their sense of feel good or intrigue, right? And so it's all about presentation. And we know in this business and in sales that you only get one chance at that first impression. And usually that first impression starts as they're driving past. And so one of the really cool things that we did at one of our communities was to freshen up the front of the office area. In the last 2 years, this giant property has been repainted, landscaping's been done. I mean, it's a night and day difference. But as we're getting ready to do a new signage package, which also adds to the curb appeal, we said, okay, like we need something to make this office pop. Gray buildings, black metal staircase accents, we need color. So we brought the color. You guys can see through some of these photos, like we installed this really awesome outdoor vinyl flooring. It can stand up to the weather, to being pressure washed, having even salt on it in the winter months. And then we pulled that same color through to contrast with the buildings. We painted the curbs that color. We painted the parking blocks that color. We created a community giving box. We painted that color too. So now when my staff are giving directions to somebody, they can say, okay, you're going to see the property and drive until you see the bright orange welcoming you in. Drive until you see the sunshine. You'll see it when you see it, right? Give them something to look forward to, something to remember you by. I'm a little bit biased. I'm a fan of red and orange. But at the end of the day, bringing that highlight of color, that curb appeal, that interest, that intrigue, that'll bring you more renters. That's your tip of the day. Have a good one.
Man, that was awesome conversation, guys. Tara, thank you so much for that. The first thing that people see, unless they drive into your property with the eyes closed, right? The first thing they're going to see is the outside. And so you got to make it pop. You got to make it feel welcome. You got to make it feel like something that's like, oh yeah, okay, cool. This feels safe. This feels clean. This feels like exciting. This is something that I maybe want to be a part of, right? The worst thing you can do is to put all your money on the interiors and make your exteriors drib drab. Not worth doing. You're not going to get a return on your investment. So guys, exteriors are a place that you need to do your investments. So go drop in. If you got a rental property, small or big, upgrade your hedges, maybe do a little bit of paint job, a little bit of accent, something like that. Walk up to a rental property you have and take a photo of it. Show it to someone that's in your community and say, hey, does this look good to you? Is this thing that really pops in this sharp? because I'll bet you for literally a couple of $1,000s, even a couple $100, you could trim the hedges and throw a little bit of paint on the property, or go next level as Tara did with the exterior vinyl and stuff like that. However big you want to go, there is a budget for it. So exteriors and curb appeal are something you guys need to consider. Guys, thank you for watching. I will see you guys next week on this program live here on Facebook at noon Eastern every week. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you soon. Hey guys, Matt Faircloth here. Thank you for listening again to the Cash Flow Digest. I really appreciate you guys doing that. If you guys want to hear more about what DeRosa Group has to offer, go to DeRosa Group, DeRosa Group.com, DeRosaGroup.com online. You can hear about all the great things that we offer from an educational standpoint and passive investment standpoint on our website. See you there. And if you guys want to join our online community, DeRosa Insiders on Facebook, where you can watch this program get recorded every Friday at noon Eastern, and you can come on as even a guest or ask questions on the show. We hope to see you guys on our online community, DeRosa Insiders. See you there.